Hello everyone, how is it going? Scramble here from Emotionless Crypto Trading, and I'd like to welcome to my PrimeXBT video presentation, where I'd like to share with you some of the updates they have made. This is one of my favorite exchanges because we have the opportunity to select out of a variety of the exchanges on the markets. So there is an extensive process of research before you start trading on an exchange. PrimeXBT is successfully meeting the criteria for myself. Therefore, I'd like to share with you more details. On top of that, all the links provided to the website, including a contest and everything involved, can be found in the description area below this video. I'd like to talk about the great variety of products, including trading tools and a very interesting model of staking COV tokens, which is one of their new programs out there where you can make some extra funds. Therefore, I would like to get into the topic. Well, there's more than 50 markets available, and it's not just about the cryptocurrency stuff I like to share with you here. You can trade a whole lot of other things, such as stock indices, commodities, Forex, and the usual products on leverage. And that's the beauty about it, due to the fact that everything is running on a single platform, which is allowing you to be performing the activity smoothly. You don't have to run through a bunch of platforms trying to cover the markets, and this is one great benefit which I've been utilizing in the current bull run. Now, there's a whole lot of other things. It's very easy to be working with the account, and there's great benefits in terms of their average order execution speed, executed orders per second, and integrated liquidity providers, as well as a strong average trading volume per day, which just you can see on my screen. All those great numbers are very important for an exchange. On top of that, I do want to make sure that this is a personal position based on my experience of the current bull run that we have been running through. This is a sort of a way more or less subjective position that we have towards our own preferences. I'm right here as a influencer and sort of a way acting as a person which is trying to help you with a quantity and quality of information which can come in your benefit, which is the reason I have generated this video presentation. So once you get your account, which is about 40 seconds, there's many things that you can do. Which is, for example, a dashboard area that looks in the following way, where you can execute a whole lot of other things. One of the most popular services is the margin trading, and that's pretty much beautiful because this is the place where you can start trading just by clicking on the margin after you make sure that you have deposited in your wallets. Once you do that, you will be able to move your funds from the wallets into the margin account and utilize the funds into the margin field. This is a sub account which has to be most likely funded from the main account, and that's also another great thing that the exchange is offering. So there is the Feather, there is the USD coin, there is the co-vesting program, which I'd like to touch base today. And take a look, guys, it's quite interesting. So the margin field is like you have been seeing me during my other videos as well. There's a whole lot of other things that you can do here. With the Turbo co-vesting and analysis program, there's many things that we can do. Here you've got the markets on the Certify margin platform, where a lot of the things involved. It's quite simple to be utilizing it. You have the features of trading right here. We're going to get in depth over the next videos as well, which I'd like to make. What is the purpose of such material? Well, one of the things which I'd like to underline is people have a sort of a way low level of knowledge and understanding about the exchanges, and there is enormous amounts of money which is being lost because users have no idea how to use the exchanges. So first things first, you need to get extremely familiar. And once researching and doing your job, there's about 10-15 questions you might have. There's a person that needs to answer all these things. And this is usually very difficult to be discovering, especially in person. Therefore, I'm trying to make a series of videos answering the general questions, and sometimes we go in depth about PrimeXBT solving this problem in order to make sure that we protect users' funds in terms of informing them, and they know what to do, how to do, and how to react in certain cases. There's the turbo option as well. There's the co-vesting option, which I'd like to touch bases, which I'm going to click right here. And then there is a rating with the opportunities of following and investing into programs. But the very interesting part is the COVESTING token that you can grab and receive very nice revenue on it. Depends on the sort of a way staking that you would like to apply. There is a required amount depending on the category you would like to go and the specific revenue and share, but at the same time trading fee discount and all that stuff which is being represented under the COVESTING staking page, right? On the other side, you definitely want to make sure that the tokens are being burned, and more details are being offered on their help center staking COV tokens to unlock benefits. There's a little explanation here about a token, and then there's many other things which are being shared right here. It's just great because there's a profit share increase. This utility increases all following's profit share 2, 3, and 5% in favor of the follower by decreasing the platform's profit distribution share. This is very interesting. Of course, you got to get in depth about all the details and see how it works by simply scrolling down on the page and finding out all the information. At the same time, there is a support which is capable of answering your questions, and myself, as far as I'm informed about it, I can help you with pleasure. On top of all these things, there is an official page of the token which you can find and see on the top left corner of my screen. And this is where you can find more information about the token itself that is being utilized by PrimeXBT. So the co-vesting token is an extremely interesting process which comes as a solution for the co-vesting system. It's really scalable, easy to be integrated into third-party platforms, just like PrimeXBT has been doing. They're official on CoinMarketCap. Things are at high level, guys, just like you can see. Now, this is something really important for all of you to be practicing and to get familiar in case that you simply do not want to do any kind of trading. There's the yield account as well, which I don't want to forget talking about, which can bring you up to 35% interest on your crypto. So COVESTING yield accounts will be launched in the third quarter of 2021. Join a waiting list and get an additional 1% yield during the first month. You can read more details on the following page and join a waiting list. Now, for the first video, guys, I've been trying to add as much details as possible. I don't want to make this too crowded. I just wanted to raise the alarm and share with you that there's definitely great moments into the space of the exchanges in the crypto categories. So we've got here a quite interesting moment of BTC, which is trying to pump back into the highs. I'd like to share with you some information in terms of the charts here for a few seconds. Obviously, the current data stays in a very specific condition because we're trying to recover after the crash we've been through. And usually on my YouTube channel, you find comprehensive technical analysis videos where I'm walking through a professional design tools in order to predict and help you understand what is all about the market. Just like I always say, this is not a financial advice or anything that is related to profits or losses. This is pure information which is intending to make you a better informed person and contribute to your positive decisions. So feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow the next videos. I'm going to share with you more details around everything that is significant for a trader. I believe that being informed is actually equal with making money. Simply indirectly you're making money by being informed. And that's, one of the greatest things that you can do. And it actually comes without risks because, simply you inform yourself so you can make better decisions. This process of informing yourself is without risks. You don't need to risk your funds. You just need to spend time, focus, and use your memory. Then you can make better decisions. Beautiful, guys. So we'll talk to you soon within my next videos. Hope you enjoyed it today and have a beautiful time.